In this question, in option A, we are asked about reaction along the line joining center and hinge becomes 0 when plate moves by an angle theta equal to 53. So first of all, let's calculate hinge reaction at a general angle theta when plate has rotated by some angle theta like this. So in this case, its center of mass has moved by distance a by root 2 into 1 minus cos theta in vertical direction, because distance of center of mass from hinge is a by root 2, and this line has become line joining center and hinge edge come at angle theta from vertical. So this is the displacement of center of mass in vertical direction. Initially center of mass was here, so work done by gravity will be equal to change in kinetic energy, mg h a by root 2 into 1 minus cos theta equal to change in kinetic energy half I omega square, and moment of inertia will be about hinge equal to from parallel axis theorem ma square by 6 plus md square a square by 2, which will be 2 by 3 ma square. So using that value 2 by 3 ma square into omega square, we will calculate value of omega. So from here we will get value of omega square as 3g upon a root 2 into 1 minus cos theta. Now we have calculated angular velocity, so now we can calculate reaction force along the line joining center and hinge. Suppose that force is let's say that force is RC along the line joining hinge and center, and acceleration of center of mass in this direction will be towards the hinge, that will be centripetal acceleration AC, and there will be component of mg along this line, and that component will be mg cos theta. As you can see, this line is making angle theta with vertical, so there will be component of mg also along this line, and that will be mg cos theta. So net force towards the hinge will be mg cos theta minus r reaction force rc equal to net force equal to mass into acceleration, and acceleration will be centripetal AC, and AC will be omega square r. So if rc is 0, we can find value of theta from this equation. AC will be omega square r, and r is a by root 2. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 we can find value of cos theta easily, and from here, from these two equations, from equation 1 and 2, we will get value of cos theta is equal to 3 by 5, and that means theta is equal to 53 degree. So option A is correct. So what we did is, first we applied work energy theorem to find angular speed omega, and then we use equation net force equal to mass into acceleration of center of mass along this line. So net force is mg cos theta minus r is equal to mass into acceleration. Now let's check option number 2, hinge reaction when the center comes into the same line as horizontal. So in that case, what will be hinge reaction? There will be two components of hinge reaction along centripetal direction, along the direction of centripetal acceleration, and along the direction of tangential acceleration. So when this plate has become horizontal like this, so in that case there will be centripetal acceleration and tangential, both acceleration will be there. Centripetal will be AC and tangential will be AT. Value of AC will be omega square into r. So we need to find omega at this angle at theta equal to 90 degree. From equation 1 we can check that value of omega at theta equal to 90 degree will be, when we will put cos 90 0, we will get 3g upon a root 2 into r. Radius is a by root 2. So this will be 3g by 2 AC. And to find AT, we need to use equation net torque equal to I alpha. So net torque will be about hinge. Here will be acting mg. So net torque using the equation net torque equal to I alpha. Torque will be mg into a by root 2 equal to I, 2 by 3 ma square into alpha. So from here we will get value of alpha as 3g upon 2 root 2a. So tangential acceleration of center of mass will be alpha into r. So that will be 3g by 2 root 2a into r, a by root 2. It will become 3g by 4. So now we have calculated tangential acceleration and centripetal acceleration. So now we can use equation net force equal to mass into acceleration of center of mass to calculate hinge reaction. So suppose hinge reactions are RC and RT respectively. On this plate, hinge reactions are RC and RT. RC in this direction, in centripetal direction, and RT in this direction. And there is mg also. So net force in direction of tangential acceleration, as you can see, is mg plus RT, and that will be equal to mat. So from here we will get RT equal to 3mg by 4 minus mg by 4. Minus is denoting that direction is opposite to assumed direction, and there will be RC also. But if you see in option B, hinge reaction when center comes in same horizontal line is given as mg by 4, but that is only RT, one component. And to calculate RC, we will use equation RC is equal to MAC, and value of AC is 3g by 2. So RC will become M into 3g by 2. So net hinge reaction will be resultant of both under root RT square plus RC square. So we can say that option B is wrong. Now let's move to option C, maximum angular acceleration of the plate. And that is correct, because maximum angular acceleration will be when torque is maximum, and that is when plate has become horizontal. And as you can see in this case, we calculated alpha, and that is 3g by 2 root 2a. And option D, maximum speed of center of mass of plate is. So dear students, for that maximum speed will be when there will be maximum angular speed, and that will be when work of gravity is maximum. And work of gravity will be maximum when center of mass comes directly below to initial position. I mean, plate has rotated by angle 180 degree. Initially plate was in this position and finally when plate will come in this position, it has rotated by angle 180 degree. In this case, work of gravity will be maximum, because center of mass was initially at distance a by root 2 above the hinge, and finally center of mass will come a by root 2 distance below the hinge. So in that case, work of gravity will be maximum, and that will be mg into h. H will be root 2a, 2 times of a by root 2a, equal to half I omega square. Value of I is 2 by 3 ma square into omega maximum square. So from here, velocity of center of mass will be omega maximum into radius, which is a by root 2. So that does not match with option D if you solve it. So that's the solution. Thank you.